This is Newswatch 12 Breaking News.
We begin with breaking news. Governor Brown's stay-at-home, save lives executive order is no longer in effect. A Baker County judge ruled this order was null and void. Thanks for joining us on Newswatch 12 at 4. I'm Brian Morton. Newswatch 12's Alicia Rubin has been following this case. She was at today's hearing to hear the judge's decision through live stream. Alicia joins us now to take us through what happened. Alicia?
Brian, all of the lawyers and Judge Matthew Shirtcliffe appeared via live stream just like they did last week, but now that social distancing is not required by law. Judge Shirtcliffe reached that decision today, and that was at Baker County Circuit Court. Now, for those of you not familiar with this lawsuit, multiple churches, individuals, and then later businesses joined together to sue Governor Kate Brown, stating that the Stay Home Save Lives executive order was unconstitutional. Now, the reason they claimed this is because, according to Oregon law, the governor can issue an executive order that lasts 28 days. If it goes beyond that, there has to be approval from Oregon legislature. Judge Shirtcliffe found that Governor Brown's Stay Home Save Lives executive order was issued for 60 days, which is longer than that 28-day limit. And that order was extended without a vote from the Oregon legislature. He therefore ruled that the executive orders were null and void, which means not legally valid.
This court finds that when the governor utilized the provisions of ORS 433-441 in her executive order, she triggered all the provisions of ORS 433-441, including the time restrictions in ORS 433-441-5. By doing so, the executive order became null and void beyond the maximum 28-day time period allowed by the statute.
Shortly after the ruling, Governor Brown issued a statement arguing that the science behind her orders hasn't changed in spite of the court's decision, saying that today's ruling from the Baker County Circuit Court will be appealed to the Oregon Supreme Court within hours to keep emergency orders in effect. Attorney General Ellen Rosenblum issued a statement as well, saying, quote, "With all respect, I believe the trial court's grant of a preliminary injunction is legally incorrect," end quote. Rosenblum also said her office will immediately appeal the decision to the Oregon Supreme Court and ask for an immediate stay. Rosenblum is also urging all Oregonians to continue to comply with the mandates that are in place. We'll continue to follow this developing story, and coming up tonight on Newswatch 12 at 5 o'clock, hear from some of the plaintiffs in the case as they react to the judge's decision. Reporting live from home, Alicia Rubin, Newswatch 12.
Now, this is a developing story, and we are monitoring the Supreme Court's decision, and we'll be letting you know as soon as more developments occur.